Hey guys, welcome to Wild Mushroom 101. My neighbor brought this over this morning. They're called lobster mushrooms. They're not even mushrooms. Hypomyces, lactifluorum, and we're gonna have two people eat them and test them. I sauteed them in olive oil and garlic, and when I was cooking them, they smelled like seafood. They smelled like fish, and they kind of taste like lobster.
They're delicious.
So this is the parasite that attacks Russula and another variety. And they're found at 9,000 feet in the dark. So they have the color of a lobster shell. And this is what it looks like sauteed.
Delicious.
It almost does have a. And maybe just because he said it's lobster, my brain won't let me get out of that mode.
No, that's what it says in the
It does
paper.
taste exactly like it.
The texture is kind of like imitation crab.
Ima crab. That's what I was thinking.
It's like a cross between a water chestnut and a lobster.
And Jim's from New England. Boston.
Boston.
I've noticed that a lot of mushrooms have a seafoody smell.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, we have a mushroom expert that lives right up the road, so we're going to be getting lots of expert advice on mushrooms and mushrooming. And we got like $50 worth of free lobster mushrooms here. And they're delicious.
They look toxic, but they're not.
Okay.